Ladies and gentlemen, fellow band hoppers, I'm here to give a short video on how to use the logger. You can hear dogs barking in the background. Don't be alarmed. Everything is completely fine here. All right, so you go to bandhoppers.com. You're going to click on Net. Then you're going to click on NCS Login. So what you do is you put in your call sign, and then you put in your password for QRZ, and you hit submit. That brings you in. If there are active nets going, you'll see them posted here under active nets. Right now we don't have any active. So you'll just pick a frequency and start one. And I'd encourage you to do a practice net. So just pick a frequency. To keep from throwing everybody off, actually a lot of people look at this page, put test in for net control, and that'll let me know to delete it. That's not a real net if you're doing a practice net. And just put in whatever state you want and hit start new net. So there it shows up. Okay, you can't immediately add. First thing you got to do is you got to join a net. Then it'll show up down here that you're on that net. Now you can start adding call signs. So add myself. It'll auto-populate. I'm going to put in some call that may not be in the database. All right, it's not there. So what you'll do then is you'll hit QRZ. Okay, that call is not found. It's not in the database. So I'm going to delete it. K5SA. Let's see if that one's there. Okay. So it's not been looked up before, so it doesn't show up. I hit QRZ and it populates. Wow, cool. All right, now, okay, Leland doesn't go by Leland. He goes by Hugh. So I'm going to edit him. Hugh, put his name in, and I'm going to save it. All right, so that's how you can edit folks there. I'm going to add a few more calls. All right, as things usually go, we only get 2 or 3, 4 calls at a time. So you get comments. When you're done, hit complete. Sometimes it cycles. This thing auto updates, so you might have to hit it twice if it cycles, refreshes while you're doing it. So that goes to the bottom. Do another one. That goes to the bottom. I'll do another one. All right, so it turns out that Hugh there, he wants a band hopper number. So if you get somebody that has checked in and wants a band hopper number, they all show up as zeros. You can hit this button, next band hopper number. The next one's 86. So I could just put it in there, 86, and save it. I'm not going to do that because Hugh has not actually checked in. But that's how you would do it. You hit save edits, and from then on, they would be automatically issued band hopper numbers. So that's how you would do that. You can remove folks if you got a bad, incorrectly entered a call sign. And let's say you had to change frequencies because QRM moved in. Well, you hit the Edit Net button here. This pops up. We're going to move to 3950 and save it. This will refresh here in a couple minutes and should show 3950. I'm waiting for it here to refresh. Yep, there it goes. So that updates the website where people are watching. So you can have multiple nets. When the net's going, this updates. You can track how the guys are doing on 40 and hopefully tonight 20 meters. And so when you're done, you close the net. But don't close the net. I don't have any are you sure you want to close the net buttons yet. So if you close it, it's closed. I can go back in and open it up. But anyway, don't close it until you're ready to close it. All right, I think that's it. So enjoy. If you have any problems, let me know.